dear viewers, we are KYMCO Products, a company that dedicated in develop and research in the electronic fuel injector system. At the same time, we are KEIHIN Japan company's official distributor for the past 30 years. Our mission is to provide the market a high-end, high-performance, high-quality product. As mentioned before, we are the official distributor of KEIHIN Japan. We have, for the past 30 years, sold a lot of carburetors genuinely made by KEIHIN, and it's primarily focused on the aftermarket. However, due to the importance of environmental issues, the electronic fuel injector system is introduced later on, and the carburetor market has declined recently and gradually. To adapt to this market shift, we have dedicated and started to enter developing electronic injector systems, primarily focusing on the intake system. For intake system, our focus is on the modification market, meaning that we have provided larger specs than the original parts, genuine parts. And we have offered an intake system including throttle bodies, manifolds, air filter, and air tube. We hope to provide this market more detailed and more different kind of various selection to the customers. Thank you.